So this lecture has introduced writing ecologies as a key concept so that you can start to use it as part of your analysis of the various online writing systems and spaces that you encounter, now and in the future. Your tutorial will help you explore and consolidate this work. So as part of your class activities, we're going to ask you to develop your own working definition of what writing ecologies might mean, and we're going to ask you to apply it to an analysis of a writing environment. You're going to do this using the dossier of quotes that you've been asked to read. In the next session, we're going to move into Module 2, and that's called Networked Media, the Emergence of New Textual Forms. So building on the foundational work from this module, the next module will introduce you to some of the debates that have informed new media writing studies. Using our new Writing Ecologies conceptual framework, we're going to ask you to think about the transformation of the new media environment and to trace it back to earlier technological shifts. We're also going to introduce you to a range of innovative works and sites that have renegotiated both the means and the tools for telling and engaging with stories. So a key focus of the next module will be to think about how the affordances and limitations of new media technologies and cultures are shaping and influencing reading, writing, and communications practice. More broadly, what we hope you're starting to see then is that as students of writing, it's really important to think about your new media literacy skills and your way of critiquing both the work that you do and the work that's done by others. As I've said a lot of times now, this will make sure that you get the most out of the way that you negotiate and utilise the modalities, genres, and the various combinations of online writing spaces, and that allow you to tell the stories that you want to tell and to communicate in a way that suits the work that you're doing and the message that you want to share. This is at both a professional level and a personal one, because writing is still letters. It is still an invitation for an exchange, for a dialogue, for an act of recording or documentation. It's still a call for action, and it almost always imagines and seeks a response. Yet it's also a space that requires nimbleness, flexibility, a capacity for critical analysis, and the ability to be able to quickly and confidently negotiate the vast array of rhetorical choices that are going to keep on becoming available to you. And that's just one of the many reasons that I think entering this field is so very exciting.